So, what do you have there, Mr. Seth?
It is an infinity cube.
An infinity cube. That looks pretty powerful.
What is it?
Infinity cube.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is I have an A4 piece of construction paper, right? To make this, or back up, to make these, I have to have a square piece to make this, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this paper along the edge to make a right triangle. Two right triangles make a perfect square. So then all I have to do is, what I do is fold the bottom piece over like that. This is the piece I'm going to take off. And then I'll fold it the other way. And what I do is
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
and then you can just literally,
Ooh.
the one time it doesn't work for me is when I get it done. Do that. And if you have some messy edges, it's okay. I cut them off. You probably don't have to, but now I have the square piece of paper I need to work. I'm going to clean up this edge.
Ooh.
Not necessary, but you know, I did it and I actually messed up a little bit. That's okay. You can leave that in. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to make these pieces, okay? So the way we do that, I'm going to fold my square in half, and perfectly in half for me. If you're Mr. Seth or Miss Nicole, you might not want to do it perfectly. We have discovered that you don't have to do it perfectly to make these fine, but I'm kind of special. I have to have it perfect. So, fold in half, and then I want to fold the edge pieces to that half. I'm going to meet that half right here. Okay, so I'll hold the piece up and line stuff perfectly that way. Make a crease on the other side. Okay, that crease. And I'll crease it down flat. Got that, and I'm going to do the other side the same way. Okay? Hold it. Meet the middle here. Make a crease. Right. That crease. And that. The next step we want to do is I'm going to take the bottom. I'm going to take the bottom part here, and I'm going to make a right triangle fold to that one line we made. So, do that. Just like this. Okay? I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to do the same thing to this bottom, this other edge here. Okay, do that. Now that was pretty much the hard part. Once I make these folds, I'm going to fold this back over. Still have that folded in. Okay, that's one of the only parts I don't unfold. There. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another right triangle fold, but I'm going to take it to where this fold helps us. Okay? So I'm going to fold this whole piece here and make a triangle fold like that. Okay? And that little edge that I made with that other triangle fold helps me. You'll notice if you do this how much it helps. Okay? Once I did that, I can unfold it and I'm going to put it under here. If that makes sense. I'll show you for this next one. Got to do the same thing to this side as I did to this side. It's almost like solving an equation. Right, good sides. Okay. And again, I need to put this under this flap. So, put it under this flap. Now I have this. Okay. Last thing we do is I'm going to take this side. I'm going to take this edge here, I'm going to fold this to where this point comes to this point. If my instructions are unclear, we're going to have a video linked to it that has a time lapse that shows a very good angle of how to do this, okay? And then if I do it to this side, I got to do it to this side. So what we're kind of making is this square here. We made a square. All right, and there we go. All right, so now once you've made one of these, what you need to do is, if you want to make it nice and colorful, you'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 6 of these in total, and we use 6 different colors, okay? But to make these, turn into this, we gotta put them together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece, and at first this can kind of be disorienting a little bit, but we just gotta fit these into flaps. So here's a little flap. I wanna fit this in here to where the, this right triangle, what part of the right triangle is this? I didn't do triangles this year. So it needs to slide in just like this here. Nice and snug, just like that. After I do that, all I have to do is just keep putting in pieces to where they do that. So I can put one in here too. Alright? And what you'll see, watch what happens. So I got the bottom of this made right now. If I take another color and I fit it in, and this is where it's disorienting. We'll figure this out. Let's see. Okay, so right here, I can put it in here so that when I fold this up like this, I have a green one, okay? Now, this blue flap, you can see, can go into the green. So it'll go in like that. So you're just gonna put all this together like that. Kind of falling apart here, but and you can kind of start seeing how a cube is being formed. Okay? See, we have the outline of a cube, right? And this green one can go in this pink one. Again, if this looks confusing, the video that we're going to be linking is shows a good time lapse of every piece that's going into this. I'm trying to put it together in a way that it stays together. I'm going to put the purple in with the pink here. That'll make this side of the square, you can see that it's missing, so, or cube, it's a cube, 3-dimensional. So it goes in like that. This purple piece can go in to this yellow piece. Okay, and then you can see this blue piece will go in here. Look at this, guys, almost have it done. All I have left is one more piece. I'll put that in with the purple here. This is going to be the top of the cube. Okay? And the other red flap will go into this green side here. It kind of just wants to go together. After you figure out how it works, having a little bit of a malfunction, then it just goes together. Last is this yellow piece. Got unfolded a little bit, but we fixed it, it's okay. And then we have this last pink piece. Okay? And even after you put it together, you can see this yellow didn't go in very well. You can still kind of slide stuff around to make it work, okay? So that's how you make one of these cubes. And just lightly squeeze it, don't make any dents or anything, but that's how you do it. So, what we've just done is we made how many of these cubes? 8. We have made 8 cubes. And now the last step is to put them together. Maybe rub them so they connect real well. Okay? Okay? Alright. Okay, and then we put all these pieces together. And that's it.
I can tell you this right in the video.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay. The small one is 5.6 by 5.6 centimeters. The big one was 8 by 8 by 8 times by 8.8.
8 by 8?
Yeah.
It's 8 by 8.
Okay.
It's animated.
So
It's cool. It's on video.
Don't know this, but we need to know because we scaled it up. We're scaling this up.
Okay.
So we have to measure in centimeters. So yours might be different when you do this at home. But your original numbers would be the same. So ours is like 22.8.
Why didn't you measure the other side?
Probably a square. But
That's-
I'm gonna check.
that's exactly
It's a
right.
square.
Oh, it's a square.
22 by 22.8, and again centimeters because we use centimeters. So now
Yeah.
we know the small, the big of the video's proportions, but we don't know the small that we need to use. So we have to set up a proportion. So we'll do 5.6 over 8 because this is all the video's work. And then we don't know this, so we'll do a variable x over 22.8. So then we set up a proportion. We talk about this in probably all of the math classes. You can cross multiply and solve. So 8 times x and then 5.6 times 22.8, which I don't know what that is. So someone needs to do
I mean, we
that.
can get a calculator. I'm sure I have one over there, Mr. Seth. Yeah.
Then we have like our equation here we're gonna solve, and then we'll know what our dimensions are solving.
What do we get? 15.96. So we could probably round if we wanted to 16.
16 centimeters by 16 centimeters.
We'll give that a try and see how it works.
Okay. Okay, back it up a bit. So I have this one
So then this comes up.
And you do the same thing.
for these two.
Yes. You guys can figure this part out through the video we link. Because it's going to be too hard to show every angle with this.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
All right.
So
There's our copyright strike for using their audio.
oh, pause. So then they
Bring it back down.
bring it back down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing.
Okay. Pause.
Yeah. It's okay. See, I did earlier.
Wait, that's not it.
I did earlier ask if you wanted to use the same. Let's just do it.
I didn't realize that was gonna like.
Yeah. It's okay. We'll make sure match the colors the next time. Yeah, I agree. I want to do it on the whole table.
Okay.
You didn't show that much, did you?
Ah, pause. Dude, what are you doing?
No.
This is all I did.
No. He folded this way though.
Did you go that way?
Yeah, because you can see
Okay.
He literally turned and went away, and you're like, whoa!
We are not messing it up now.
You're right. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Oh, sorry. So,
I'm still the rest. Okay.
that's like,
Right here.
oh, he totally set this up too, I just realized.
He's not that fast.
He's gonna be fine.
And then this one.
Oh, I'm getting excited. I'm moving on this.
There's no need to go outside.
I'm nervous like this whole thing's not working. Yeah, like, okay. You just did. Yeah. Oh no. Yes, yep. Look up. That's nice. Oh my goodness. Alright, middle pieces.
buddy.
Yeah, keep that.
What?
These yellow ones.
Oh.
So, we can take this one out. Let's just
Take it out?
replace it with the one that's actually freeze.
Freak out. Like what? You know what's on here?
No, we can
Okay, 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 back. Yep. And I think we're just, we're gonna back side.
Wait,
So, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Did you
Yeah.
So we probably just do both. Yep. Really nice. No. You're not gonna find it. I don't think you can find it.
No, that was all of them,
How do they stay though? Like that's the question. How do they stay?
folds.
Guys, we did something. Except it's not staying.